Clawdbot is a general-purpose and everything AI assistant that lives within your computer. It can check your email, it can book an appointment in your calendar, and even a flight. It has been trending a lot on X these days. In this video, I want to show you how to set up Clawdbot in a step-by-step manner using the Mac Mini. You don't need a Mac Mini to set it up. There are some other ways, like using a free Amazon Cloud account. So let's look at how to get up and running with Clawdbot. First, you should visit this website, Clawdbot. Over here, you can see different kinds of installation options. We have one-liner, npm, hackable. You can also choose this option to download it for macOS. Let's choose the one-liner. So I'll copy the code and launch a new terminal. So I'll paste the command in my terminal and press the return key to install it. So it updated my Node.js and then went ahead for the Clawdbot installation. So that will take a while. So let's wait for a moment. So it is now asking some few questions. So this is basically a security question. So let's select the option yes and press the return key to proceed. For the configuration, I'll select the quick start option. To select any of these AI providers, you need to provide your API credentials. So if you have an account of any one of them, you can just go with that. Let's select Anthropic. So I'll go with Anthropic API key. So over here, you can select any of these Anthropic models. I will select the first option. That is the latest version, CloudOpus 4.5. Next, we have to select a channel. So you can select any of these channels. So I'm going to select iMessage. At this point, you can also set scales for the channel you select. I can do this later, so I'll select no. For hooks, I'm going to select session memory. With this option also, I'll select the first one. So this completes the setup. So over here, we have the message composer. So you can start sending messages to the AI assistant. And over here, from the sidebar on the left, we can control the bot. We can set agent scales. We have configuration settings. We can debug and also check logs. So this is how you can set up Clawdbot for automation and computer use using the Mac Mini.